5 News.
That was such a great tour. Now we're all ready to show up and have some fun.
Yeah, but we got to watch the weather closely today, especially if you're heading out there. We're going to be watching the potential for strong to severe storms this afternoon, although right now no issues except for the drizzle, the fog that you're seeing our Exco Eagle Eye and Killeen at the moment. Temperatures are in the 60s currently, pretty much area wide. 61 Gatesville, 63 Waco, Temple, 62 Killeen, and 63 in Marlin. It's along and, believe it or not, west of I-35 where we're seeing this dense fog start to develop. Keep that in mind if you are driving to work or school this morning. Give yourself a little extra time to get where you're going in case you encounter that fog or even some of those light rain showers that you're seeing currently on radar. A lot of this is just very thick drizzle that's happening. You can see it on radar there, that green. And again, that's trying to work from southwest to northeast, and we'll keep the chance for some drizzle in the morning hours and then late morning, turning into more of these scattered widespread showers. Once we get towards lunchtime, though, they should grow into some thunderstorms, and that's when we'll have to watch the chance for some severe thunderstorms, not only just after lunchtime, but also as we head into the evening as well. All this should be out of here by 10 o'clock, though, if you have any nighttime plans tonight. Now, everyone in Central Texas under this slight risk of severe weather today. That is because we are watching the potential for what should be large hail up to the size of maybe tennis balls at times, and that's what we'll be watching. A level 4 risk for hail, a level 3 risk for winds, and a level 3 risk also go for tornadoes, because as these storms move east to I-35, they'll encounter a lot of spin, and that's when we could see the potential for some of those isolated tornadoes. So something we will watch very closely. Let's take it through time on FUTURETRACK, show you what to expect through the day. Again, those passing showers possible for the first part of that morning. After lunchtime, this when these will try to grow into some thunderstorms, and you can see some of the deeper oranges. That's when we'll have to watch for the threat of some severe storms. Now, this first round, notice how it's real clustery. If it stays clustery like that, the overall severe risk is lower and that tornado threat is much lower. If they happen to be a little bit more socially distanced, that's when we'll be watching for that threat for the storms to spin a little bit more, and that's where you can see the very large hail, the very gusty winds, and that isolated tornado threat. That's that first round. And again, I think the biggest threat with this will be along and east of I-35. If this round can get out quick enough, we'll be able to destabilize the atmosphere and see another round pop up along our dry line that will work into the evening. If these form, they will have the potential to spin as well, mainly a large hail threat up to the size of tennis balls, gusty winds, and an isolated tornado threat as well, especially as they move east of I-35 where that greater area of spin is. So we'll have to be watching that very closely. After that, though, things dry out very quickly after the rest of the evening and for the weekend. So go find us on social media, download that Storm Shield app as well. That'll give you 2 ways to get the alerts and keep you and your family safe as we go through the rest of the day. Let's show you that 10-day forecast here, and we'll be talking about nicer conditions for the weekend. 76 today, a 70% chance of storms, 77 Saturday, lower 80s coming up on Sunday. We're nice for Monday, but then we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when we're tracking that next chance of storms, and after that, things should be quieter as we go back to the mid-80s and clear skies for next weekend.
Josh, thank you. It's now 6:06.